What is going on, traders? I hope you all absolutely killed it today. I personally did. The Discord killed it. I'm going to show you exactly why we took the trades we did today, as well as the upcoming game plan for tomorrow and the rest of the week. Let's get into it. So before I get into all these key levels and what we did today, I want you guys to be paying attention and learning of how I am coming up with these key levels, how I am coming up with my entries and exits. So what I basically do is I'm watching the previous day, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, okay? I'm watching them. I'm looking at major supports and major resistances. Yesterday, I gave you guys a few key levels, okay? We started off at 422.50. That was the first one. I said all eyes on 422.50. The second level was 423.42. The third level was 424, and the fifth level on the upper side was 424.50. To the lower side of 422.50, it was 421.19, as well as the previous close guys at 420.46. Is it 46? Yeah, 46. Okay, we're good. Sorry, I got a halo light in front of me. I can't even see my screen. So that is what I gave you guys to make these trades and how I came up with my personal game plan. So what did we do today? First things first, guys. I told you guys we're going to be having all eyes on 422.50 as well as 423.42. Opening candle this morning, we broke on. This is the 5-minute time frame. We broke through 423.42. I ended up alerting puts literally at the high right here. I had a full-size position at the highs, and this play tanked in our direction. We shorted the top of this. We made more than the daily goal in just this play, and that was the first play of the day. The second play of the day is once we made 423 support. We broke through 423. We broke through on the lower side, upper side, lower side, upper side. As soon as we held support, we touched. I literally bought calls on this, literally on this bar right here. We came down, we touched it, we bought the calls, and I made double my daily goal, if not triple my daily goal, in just these two plays, guys. After that, I left for the day. I ended up having to babysit my son, not babysit, but watch my son in my studio. And I was trading live with the Discord guys. All the moderators were in there. We ended up getting calls literally towards the low of day. I bought puts right here, guys. This was our key level, 422.50. We were floating right here. We had a bearish reaction at our key level of 423.42. I hit the puts to the key level of 422.50. I sold here, and look at the downside it did here. It was absolutely crazy. Today I made over $8,000 on just after I went live, okay? Just sniping. Literally babysitting or watching my son. I made over $4,000 USD in just sniping plays with him sitting on my lap, with him running around. Anyone can do what I do. It does not take the smartest person in the world to do what I do, guys. The reason why I am a successful day trader is because I have put the work in and I have learned from my mistakes. Anyone can do what I can do. You just need the right teacher. You just need the right education to become successful. I end up selling very quickly, guys, and I usually top tick and bottom tick SPY, but I hit it with size, okay? I hit it with 40 to 100 contracts. I'm making a daily goal between $500 to $3,000 in seconds. So that is why I enter trades or I exit trades very early. A lot of people are like, why don't you just hold? I have learned that sizing in at the best spot possible, getting in quick, getting out quick works best for me. It may not for other people, but for me, it works very well. I'm not going into these trades with an immense amount of money. I'm usually going in with between $10,000 to $50,000 in these trades. Nothing absolutely crazy. And the gains we're getting, guys, people that go to university and college and doctors and lawyers, they don't make what we make, okay? They can do whatever they want to do, and they cannot make what professional day traders make. And this is why I have chosen to be a day trader. I have mastered the craft, and we also teach this. It's not just myself, multiple moderators we have within the Daily Sniper Discord, guys. We're crushing it every day, and I just want you guys to learn it. If you don't want to be part of the Discord, don't worry about it. But when I'm giving you key levels and I'm giving you potential plans, game plans, I want you guys to understand why those are my levels and why I'm looking for calls at this level and why I'm looking to short the market at this level, okay? And if you would like to know further, you can always just hit the YouTube comments. Just be like, I don't understand this key level, blah, blah, whatever you need. Just, if you're not part of the Discord, write them in the YouTube comments and I will answer your questions, because I'm here to teach people. Because for me, myself, I paid for multiple Discords, multiple one-on-one trainings, multiple mentors, and I have taken them all collectively and made my own trading strategy that works best for me. A lot of the strategies out there, guys, you need a lot of capital to make money, okay? So what I teach is how people with a small account can eventually be a very profitable trader. It takes 12 to 24 months to become a profitable trader. That is just a fact, okay? A lot of people are trying to start off with a small account, $500, $1,000, $2,000. One day they make 20%, one day they make 30%, one day they make 10%, and they think that's realistic gains. It is not, guys. I couldn't tell you the last time I made 10% of my account. Stuff like that just doesn't happen when you have a bigger account. So what we try to do is to teach you guys the right fundamentals and give you the right education for when you have a small account, you have the same fundamentals with a big account. You're doing the exact same plays. You're taking profits quick. You never let a green trade go red. And that is what I do, guys. Okay, so I just would like to just express what I do, okay? I want you guys to know when I tell you something, when I'm giving you the key levels, I want you to understand and even ask questions. Even if you're not part of the Discord, write them in the YouTube. I want to teach people of the mistakes I have personally made and all the moderators have made in their trading career to be successful day traders. But enough of the TED Talks. Let's get into the game plan for tomorrow. So, again, very repetitive videos, guys. 422.50. That, all eyes on that. We respected it all day today. We used that as support. Once we used that as support, we had a big move. Once we rejected this, guys, we fell right off. And if you see this key level, this is one of the strategies I play. This is what gives me confidence in the plays that I'm entering. You see how it was a previous support, guys, all in the after hours and pre-market, as well as first thing in the morning. You see the support on the 5-minute time frame. Look what happens when we broke through it, okay? You see this big sell-off, and then it came to our next key level. This is why we were buying calls down here. We broke through our main key level, did not retest it, and the 200 EMA we did not retest. So this is why we ended up alerting and hitting calls collectively as a group towards the lows, guys. The low of day, we were hitting calls. The way I size in, guys, I sell first candle. I don't need to hit this. If you're making 4 figures in a couple of seconds, what's the point of holding? You don't need to hold. That's just my strategy. But as you see, like this level, we broke through this level, okay? There is going to be a magnet right here. Once we break through of a massive support from the after hours pre-market and yesterday, we break through it. We're going to come back up and retest it. And look what happened. This was like my 5th or 6th play that I ended up hitting on the day. We broke through this level, okay? I ended up hitting puts as soon as we came back up to retest it, 422.50, because this was a previous support. We gapped beneath of it. We came back up. I hit the puts here, guys, and this was a $1,000 play. Right, and just this bar was a $1,000 play because it was the first reaction of a previous support and we turned it into a resistance. The first reaction is going to print 8 to 9 out of 10 times. That's why I sell very quickly. And some plays like these, I will do same days. I ended up doing same days here. That's why I think I made a little over 20 cents on my contract on just this play. So, and that's all it takes, guys. And look, when you're sitting and you're shorting a previous resistance or previous support into a resistance, This is why we don't hold. This is why I sell the move. I sell at the first spot I'm supposed to sell, whether it's an EMA line or it is a key level. I'm selling quick. I size in heavy and I get the heck out when I'm able to. Okay? And look at what ended up happening. If I would have shorted the top here and had diamond hands and held, I would have ended up stopping out of this trade for a loss. But I made over $1,000 on just this play right here. This is why I sell extremely quickly. I give you guys the best levels to buy at and to sell at. This is what I do, my strategy. It has helped me from when I had a small account to a large account. And that is why I continuously am I'm continuously profitable, okay? This is exactly why. I'm shorting or I'm buying calls at key levels, at the break of key levels, guys, and I'm just getting out immediately. I don't wait for the big move to happen. I just sell the move, especially when you're going out the money to in the money contracts, okay? As soon as we broke through, where was it? Was it up here? One of these plays, okay? So when you're approaching a full dollar amount, like 422 flat or 423 flat, a full dollar, okay? Once we break under that dollar, so if SPY is trading at 422.10, okay, and a big drop happens and you're in the 421.80s to 421.70s, if you hit calls, SPY's gonna immediately bounce right back up to in the money. So that's pretty much what I've been doing lately, because SPY has been repeating that. As soon as the contracts go out the money, at the first reaction, if you buy in the opposite direction of where it's heading, it is going to retest a full dollar amount. And those are just quick snipes. And that's what I was doing all day today. That's why I was able to make so much money today. It's just from doing snipes, guys. I'm selling 10, 20 cents, 30 cents, just in and out very quickly. So that is it, guys. That's my game plan for tomorrow. We're going to be having all eyes on 422.50 as well as 421.19. These are just previous supports and resistance from the previous day. You see how we have big reactions at 421.19. But remember, we also have a gap to fill from Monday at 420.46. This was a partial gap close reversal. We can still hit this level, so you have to keep all eyes on this. If you are a small account, cash account, for calls, 420.40s are going to be your best entry, in my opinion. That's if we're even able to get there. SPY is somewhat bullish at the moment, as well as crypto, so be careful with puts right now. I don't want you guys to get squeezed out or lose any unnecessary amount of money. So 421.19, 422.50, 423.42, and 424 to 424.50. Those are the levels I'm watching. As long as we stay in that range, if anything changes between now and pre-market around 9 a.m. Eastern time, I will let you guys know. I live stream every single morning, Monday to Friday, 30 minutes before live stream. I give you my pre-market analysis as well as a game plan for the day and where we're opening up at. And if you would like to be part of the Discord, guys, I live stream every single day, Monday to Friday, market open till 10:30, 11 o'clock. We have the best moderators you can absolutely even think of. Like literally the best moderators, guys. When I'm not there, the team holds itself. It's absolutely crazy. If you would like to be a part of the Discord, guys, the link is in the bio. If you do not like it, money back guaranteed. The link is in the bio. I will see everyone pre-market 9 a.m. Eastern time as well as 9:30 at market open. Thank you guys for your support. I honestly appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care.